Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE and I'm going to show you how easily we can remove tempered glass. Okay, so first of all, just take a look on the screen and I can recommend you to start from one of the edges, from one of the corners. And for example, let's start from this corner, and you can use your fingernails, for example. And all you have to do is basically just put your fingernail underneath glass. So let's try to make it like that. Try to do it gently. And when you input your fingernail, as you can see, we can easily raise that glass. Try to do it slowly to don't break the glass. And when it's enough space between the glass and the screen, you can start moving your fingernail to the right corner and try to lift that glass like that. As you can see, it goes pretty good. So let's put the second finger right here. Okay, here we have the first breaks. The first break. Okay, and as you can see, we get rid of that glass. It looks like that. Let's put it back. And that's how the screen looks. So right now we can clean that screen. There's few scratches, but that's the process of removing this glass from the display on the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. And it also looks the same for basically every smartphone that you have. If you are interested in how to install the new protector on the phone, you can just take a look on our YouTube channel, because you will find a lot of videos with this kind of the guide. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.